Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. StashAway, found at https://www.stashaway.com, offers a compelling approach to investing. This platform provides a user-friendly experience designed to simplify the complexities of wealth management. Through a combination of intelligent algorithms and personalized portfolio recommendations, StashAway aims to empower individuals to achieve their financial objectives. One of the key features of StashAway is its automated investment strategy. This means that after completing a risk assessment and defining your financial goals, the platform takes over the reins, managing your investments according to your specific profile. This hands-off approach can be particularly appealing to those new to investing or who prefer a more passive role in managing their finances. StashAway also offers a range of portfolio options tailored to different risk tolerances and investment horizons. Whether you're a cautious investor or one seeking more aggressive growth, StashAway has a portfolio designed to align with your individual preferences. Transparency is another notable aspect of the StashAway platform. Users have access to clear and concise information regarding their portfolio performance, fees, and underlying investment holdings. This level of transparency allows investors to stay informed and make educated decisions about their financial future. Furthermore, StashAway utilizes a diversified investment strategy, spreading investments across various asset classes and geographies. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and potentially enhance long-term returns. The platform also offers features such as automatic rebalancing, which ensures that your portfolio remains aligned with your chosen risk profile over time. While StashAway provides an automated and user-friendly investment experience, it's important to remember that all investments carry inherent risks. It is crucial to thoroughly research and understand these risks before making any investment decisions. StashAway also provides educational resources and customer support to help users navigate the complexities of investing. For individuals seeking a convenient and automated way to manage their investments, StashAway presents a viable option. Its user-friendly interface, personalized portfolio recommendations, and transparent approach make it an attractive platform for both seasoned investors and those just beginning their investment journey.